Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this animation in a Canva in a few easy steps. But before we dive into the tutorial, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to create content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I already created a new page, new Canva project. As you can see, this is a standard YouTube form video Canva. So the first thing, we just need to add the background. I just adding the background and feed the whole page with it. And going to the text, adding my text, increasing the size a bit, change the color to white, and going to the fonts and looking for some good font. Selecting it. I said it's supposed to be white. So increasing the size like this and going to the positions. It's middle center. Okay, it's already in good place. Share, download as PNG, and to the best possible size. I'm doing it like this because in this case the quality will be a best. So now it's downloaded. So I just remove everything from the Canva, go into the elements, add the image what I would like to use, also fit on the page, and moving what I want, a bit more down, yes, like this. So going to the downloaded image, uploading it, and also fit the page. And now I duplicate it. Move it to the same position. And first I just click on the bottom layer, so that's top layer, and just cut it to half. And now click on the bottom layer and also doing the same. Quick quality check in a preview. Okay, still good. Now we are okay. I'm just moving a bit up and this one bit down. Anyhow, if we move it back, this is just for a small trick. I just click on the R button. So I just need a rectangle and move it like this. And also not in the side, like this here. Color, no color. And I just duplicate the element and move it also to here. The element is selected, holding the shift button, also click on the image, the bottom part, and group it. Do the same with this one. So click on this element, holding the shift, and click on the image and group it. And now I can move it back like this. And quick quality check, still good. The reason why I did that quality check, just realized it's very easy to move the image just to the left or right, and then you can see in a later stage the inconsistency, and also that something is wrong, and it's so annoying to do it everything. Have to do the changes in all the slides, so better to check it before we start to go into the next step. So nice, everything looks good. So I just duplicate the slide or page twice. Duplicate page, duplicate page. So now we are going to the middle one. And just moving down. And this one is moving up. Okay, position on the center. This one position also in the center. Okay. And this one just moving down a bit. Like this. It's good. I think it's moved absolutely down from the out from the yes, from the Canva. So I hovering the mouse between the two pages. Not important is the first two or the last two. So add transition and match and move. Scrolling down the duration, I just add the maximum and scroll moving down to the apply between our pages. So I do not have to do it in other pages also. Now a bit shrinking the length of the first and the last page and go into the preview. And as you can see, the animation is done. So that's a very easy, absolutely free tool. I do not use any pro feature in the Canva now. And we have this beautiful animation, what we can use in our videos and presentations or anywhere where we need it. But now this tutorial going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment sections first of all to feed the algorithm and let me reach more and more people with my tutorials. And of course, if you have any question about Canva or struggling anything in the Canva, just let me know in the comment section and I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description of this video where you can find links for my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts. List in a Facebook page, and of course in the Instagram and TikTok pages you can find a short form of Canva tutorials. As I already mentioned, you can find the links in the description. But now this tutorial really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.